Hello guys, this is your D.M.A flyer William. Our trip started from LaGuardia Airport Terminal B. This newly renovated terminal really makes the travel experience much better now. Our destination was DC. This trip was for us to enjoy the cherry blossoms. We decided to use Chase Sapphire Lounge today. CP and I both agreed that this lounge had the best atmosphere at LaGuardia Airport. Today it was extra special. We were given this Miami guidebook upon check-in. Let's take a look of this beautiful lounge. Let's check the buffet offering. This Chase Sapphire Lounge also offers facial spa treatment and the rest pod. You can just scan the barcode on the table to make a reservation. In addition, you can also order food and beverages from the a la carte menu. Since there was no meal on board, we decided to enjoy our dinner here. Sometimes the credit card benefits can really uplift your travel experience a lot. We had the Sapphire burger, roasted cod, roast chicken sandwich, and the breast beef. Everything was tasty. Now boarding our favorite regional jet Embraer 175. The first class seating is 1-2 configuration. The economy class is a 2-2 configuration. If you like window seats, choose your seats wisely because a lot of them the windows do not align with the seats. We were in the regular economy seats because this time we bought the basic economy tickets. Since this flight was so short, we really did not mind where we sat. There were issues with the air conditioning on this flight, so the cabin was really hot. The cabin crew were apologetic, but they really could not do anything. Let's check the economy class menu. Of course, you could not order anything from here. This flight was way too short to serve anything.
Larger bag and overhead bin. Keep your smaller items in pockets or you will allow those behind you to pass. Let us know if you need any assistance. Find your bag. Welcome to Kindly as we store smaller carry-on items such as purses, handbags, smaller backpacks, or personal items underneath this. Turn up under the aircraft and door in the rear. When we take off and we're in the air, it'll start cooling down. So in the meantime, try to open up those little air vents above your heads. Just twist it. Your best to pull it down. So hopefully, once again, within like at least 10 minutes, it starts to cool down.
At least CP and I had our only fan. We really enjoyed our only fan in this super hot cabin. Once we started taxiing to the runway, I knew it was the right direction because this runway we would be able to see the beautiful Manhattan night views. It was time to go. Let's enjoy the views. From the left to the right, Long Island City, Manhattan Downtown, Manhattan Midtown. In addition, you can see the Queensboro Bridge and the Roseville Island. Don't you love the New York City night views? Now you can see both Midtown and Downtown. George Washington Bridge. Our plane made a 90-degree turn to a south here. As we flew along the Hudson River, we continued enjoying the Manhattan night views.
Welcome to the Bellamy Skies. We are happy to have you on board with us today. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened while seated in case of unexpected turbulence.
Do you see the Times Square neon lights?
Cool. You can now use your laptop and other larger devices. Remember that bags may move around during takeoff, so be careful when opening the
Time to say goodbye to New York. Despite this was a short flight, the flight attendant actually provided water service twice. Somehow the United Express carrier provide better service than the United mainline flights. This flight was really short. Let's enjoy the landing views. We were waiting here for a while. There were not enough ground crews. We had to wait for them to handle this CRJ flight first. Finally, they were coming. I still remember that I missed my connecting flight several times due to not enough ground crews. Have you missed your flight for the same reason before? If yes, please share your experience with us. The job the AI cannot replace human for. Hand push the jet bridge. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like and to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much and see you next time.